Alright, what is up my dudes? Welcome back to Cooking with Coupel. This video is probably going to be a pretty short one. Just wanted to say, we'll see ya. Just wanted to say, I had plans to do a 500 subscriber special. I ended up hitting that milestone over the holidays, got super busy. So we're actually going to celebrate 600 since we've officially hit 600 subscribers on Cooking with Coupel. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate all those who have continued to support and comment on videos. I definitely see you guys. Thank you very much. I'm also going to be dropping some pretty big news towards the end, so if you're interested, stay tuned to the end. So if you guys saw in the title, yes, we are trying Raising Cane's for the first time today. Chicago does have a few locations, but there's actually one that just opened up right down the road for me, so that's pretty convenient. Let's go ahead and get everything ordered, and we can get here pretty soon. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Maybe because they're newer, they don't deliver just yet. And it's snowing like a motherfucker right now. Okay, whatever. I guess I'm gonna walk. See y'all in a minute. This chicken better be busting, that's all I'm saying. Oh god, okay, well, we've got the stuff. Good lord. I don't know how familiar you guys are with Raising Cane's or where they are in the world. Very small menu. I do have to point out though, when I was there waiting for the food, I noticed that they are legit squeezing like boxes of lemons to make their lemonade. So kind of a weird thing to start with a drink, but honestly, I'm kind of thirsty too. So very curious about this. All right, you know how I do it. Usually I do a score out of 10, just based on how much I liked it. So, all right, lemonade. Ooh. I'm actually not a huge lemonade guy because I'm not really a huge tart guy. This is nice. This is sweet. It's balanced. It does make your face pucker a little bit. You got that nice acidity to it. Oh, this almost doesn't make sense to drink when there's a fucking snowstorm going on. This is refreshing as fuck. Ooh-wee. Raising Cane's lemonade. This is like a solid 7.9 out of 10. This is really good lemonade. I guess since we're on the track of drinks, and the reason why I am focusing on the drinks a little bit is because they actually sell them in like by the gallon. If you're gonna do that, then you're trying to do something. If you're gonna do that, then you're trying to do something. So next up we have the sweet tea. Let's give it a try. Ooh. Oh shit. This isn't like McDonald's sweet tea. This is like, it's actually balanced and you actually really do get a nice bold tea flavor from it. So it's not just sugary. Yeah, great flavor, great sweetness, well balanced, huge bold tea flavor. I would say the lemonade's actually better, to be honest, even though I'm not a big lemonade guy, but this is still gonna get a solid 7.5 out of 10. I think that's fair. All right, let's move on to some food. All right, so here I have the Caniac combo. 6 chicken strips, fries, Texas toast, 2 sauces, and coleslaw. So when I was there, flashing on the TV was, you know, they're pushing the sauce. Like I said, their menu isn't huge. They're pushing their cane sauce, and they were dipping everything in it, including the bread. If that's how they're gonna market it, that's probably how they want people to enjoy it. Let's start with the cane sauce first. I might not give this like its own full rating, but whatever, we'll see. Okay, it's a little zesty. To me, it just kind of tastes like a mayo, barbecue sauce, and like maybe a little bit of ranch, some spices. It's nothing too crazy. I feel like I've made this myself before. It's kind of weird, actually. It's okay. All right, French fry by itself. Huh? Okay. For some reason, I've never been a huge crinkle cut guy. It's good. The fries are a little underwhelming. I'm gonna have to give this like 5.5. I'm not really enjoying these. Even dipping the sauce, like, they're just okay. Yeah, I do enjoy some coleslaw, so let's give it a try. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'm a big fan of just like, I don't care. I'll eat any coleslaw. There's not a whole lot going on, but it's exactly what you expect from like a fast food coleslaw. All right, generic fast food coleslaw, 5.5 out of 10. All right, the bread looks pretty good. It's got a nice little toastiness to it. It's got some seeds on the top, like little sesame seeds. It almost looks like a roll, like you could cut this in half and like put a hot dog in there. Let's try it on its own. It's actually pretty good, actually. Whoa, that's really good, actually. Holy shit. We're gonna dip it in the sauce and see how that is. This bread is fucking good. As far as breads go for fast food, it's actually really good. This is gonna get like an 8.2 out of 10. Like that's weirdly good. This bread has no business being this good. Okay, let's move on to what they're really known for. The only thing I think they're known for, the chicken tenders. Nice, crackly, looks pretty damn good. Dip in the sauce, let's give it a try.
This chicken better be busting, that's all I'm saying.
It's crunchy, it's crackly. Oh, let's try it by itself. Ooh, okay. There it is. On its own, this is kind of lacking flavor. It does really work with the sauce, so like, this is what the sauce I feel like is made for, really. Yeah. I feel like there really should be a lot more flavor in this chicken, which is a little unfortunate. It's not dry, it's actually pretty
Moist.
breaded nicely. It's just missing a little more flavor. For being known for this, sadly, I'm gonna have to give this like a 6.8 out of 10. Like, this could be a lot better. But again, you're getting points for that nice crispiness. It's super crackly. Okay, last but not least, we have their chicken sandwich. Just the chicken tenders. It has their signature sauce on there, like some lettuce, and that's kind of it. It's not really a crazy looking sandwich. Hey, their bread was good, so it might work out. Let's give it a try. Okay, overall, not bad. Genius on them to not even source another type of chicken cut. It's literally just the chicken tenders on a sandwich. The sauce. You know, the sauce in general has been good. Nothing different there. Lettuce isn't really doing anything. I kind of wish there were some pickles, unless I missed them. Nope, do not see any pickles. I've had a few good chicken sandwiches, and honestly, this is actually kind of this is a little disappointing. I'm gonna do one more bite, and I'll form my final opinion on this. Okay, yeah, I feel pretty strongly about this. I'm just gonna give this a 6.2 out of 10. Not stellar, but it's still good. It's quality. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, it's missing a few components that I feel are really necessary within a really good chicken sandwich. At the same time, this is just very simple, good food. Having this alongside the sweet tea, the lemonade, like, you're not gonna be mad. You might go somewhere else next week, but Raising Cane's, yeah. So I think that's gonna wrap up. If I were to give Raising Cane's an overall score, take all my scores and tally them, I feel like Raising Cane's in general is just gonna get a solid 7.1. They're getting points for the tea and the lemonade. They're getting points for that bomb-ass fucking bread. Chicken's fine, chicken sandwich is fine, french fries are kind of boring, but not bad overall, 7.1. It's not terrible. I've had worse, I've had better. Okay, and if you stuck around to this part in the video, the big news, brand manager, aka my wife, has been helping me design an official Cooking with Coupal website. So here I'm going to be pretty much storing most of my original recipes. So for the videos where I do recipes that are my own, they're gonna be up there on the page. Right now we have the Keto Korean Spicy Fried Chicken Sandwich, my cheat code Keto Gravy, and my cauliflower rice recipe. You can check those out if you wanna make them for yourself. And yeah, that's it. Go check out the website. Thank you to everyone for supporting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wanted to say too, if you guys couldn't already tell, I've begun to slowly switch into doing more short form content on this channel. It's a way for me to quickly pump out a lot more videos and do a lot more how-tos and a lot more recipes. But every now and then, I'm definitely going to be hopping back and doing videos just like this. So if there's any specific videos that you guys like to see, so if you guys want me to dive deeper into some cooking basics and things like that, or if you're enjoying these trying for the first time videos, definitely leave a comment down below to let me know. Thank you guys very much for being here. Happy to have all 600 of you guys here. Yeah, go check out the website. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see y'all next time.